Hi folks, I'm just going to show you how to use this printer properly. Okay, so there's three tabs, as you know: print, device function, and scan. So I'm just going to log out. You've got your card, so tap your card. Okay, so log in. So when you first do it, you need to initialize, so you need to put your username and password and then tap again and then let you log in. So you'll have these three. So now most of you know how to just print. That's fine. If you go to device functions, it'll give you some more options. Okay, so so you got a copy scanner. So if I click on copy, it gives me some more options. So I've got full color, black and white, two-sided, two-sided and one-sided. So these are options you can use. You've got ratio, which is the size and the quantity that you need. Okay, full color will eat up more of your credits. If you go to editing, click on that. You've got more options. You've got color margin options, so you can change the margin of the color. You've got erase color, so you can take out specific colors if you want to. You've got image color balance, so you can add more yellow or more magenta or more cyan, whatever you choose you want to add. Just press OK. You've got negative and positive, so if you click on negative and positive, it will reverse your image, okay, that you're scanning. You've got adjust color, so you can add more red, more yellow. Okay, so there's a lot more settings on this printer that you probably aren't aware of. You've got two-sided combo, so you can have it two sides. So if you're doing a little magazine or a zine, you can have it both sides. Press OK. Go back. You've got original settings. So you've got density of color, so you can have more density, you can have it more darker, more lighter. Obviously that's going to use more ink. You've got original size, you can resize it, or mix the sizes. So if you want like some A4, some A3, you can do that, or you can have a regular size of A5 or A4. Okay, so there's a lot more options here that you weren't aware of. So I want you to play around with these. You got original size, photocopy, general copy, map, shiny material. So if you put some sort of shiny material in it, some like glossy paper, you're allowed to do that as well. Okay, so so that's all the settings in this part of the printer. So when you're going in, just don't press print. Think about going in there and play around with the full color.